I'm Dorian Cook. I'm completing my rail apprenticeship at USW, Coleg Cymru at Treforest and through Drwy. I feel it's accelerated my learning because I'm on the job as well as then studying, doing the degree, so yeah, that's been very beneficial.
Yn 2023, dechreuodd Coleg y Cymoedd a Phrifysgol De Cymru gynnig y prentisiaeth graf gyntaf un yng Nghymru ym maes peirianneg reilffyrdd. Dorian yw un o'r myfyrwyr cyntaf yn y wlad I astudio'r cwrs 4 blynedd a chael y cyfle I ennill gradd prifysgol a chrydedig mewn peirianneg.
There's a number of benefits of engaging in a rail apprenticeship programme. You know, working with the college and training providers, you have access to industry experts, you have access such as the college facilities here, which are state-of-the-art.
Datblygwyd y cwrs prentisiaeth gradd I fodloni gofynion penodol y diwydiant reilffyrdd ledled y dy. Bydd yn cynnig manteision I brentisiaid a'r diwydiant reilffyrdd yn gyffredinol.
Degree apprenticeships are essential, I'd say, within industry because the student will get real life experience. The industry get an insight into the individual. They can watch them grow. It's an investment in their workforce.
The apprentices bring a fresh outlook and new ideas. It means that the apprentices have a skill set where they can step back from the immediate tasks in the workforce and look at the wider needs of the business.
Mae Dorian yn gobeithio yn awr y bydd y brentisiaeth radd yn datblygu ei yrfa wrth iddo gael profiad gwerthfawr yn y diwydiant reilffyrdd gan weithwyr proffesiynol law yn llaw ag astudio ar gyfer ei radd. Gyda'r hyder y mae'n ei fagu a'r sgiliau newydd y mae'n ei dysgu, nid yn unig yn ymarferol ond yn academaeth hefyd, mae'n edrych ymlaen at yr hyn a ddaw yn y dyfodol.
I think I'd like to eventually put the degree to good use, and the skills that I've learned from the apprenticeship hopefully will fire me up the career ladder. I personally recommend an apprenticeship for anyone looking for on-the-job learning. It's probably the best thing I've done, or certainly so far in my career.